discover the incredible healing power of chamomile that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy DIY recipes you can make at home. Life-changing results ahead. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to specific receptors in the brain that decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. Regular consumption of chamomile tea creates a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce stress hormones in the body. This natural sedative quality makes it an effective remedy for people suffering from anxiety disorders, panic attacks, or everyday stress. Many individuals report feeling more relaxed within 30 minutes of drinking chamomile tea, with effects lasting for several hours afterward. The gentle, non-addictive nature of chamomile makes it suitable for long-term use without developing dependency. Chamomile serves as a mild tranquilizer and sleep inducer thanks to its flavonoid content, particularly apigenin, which modulates GABA receptors in the brain. This natural compound helps reduce insomnia symptoms and improves overall sleep quality. People who regularly consume chamomile experience faster sleep onset, deeper sleep cycles, and fewer nighttime awakenings. Studies show that chamomile not only helps individuals fall asleep more quickly, but also improves their daytime functioning due to better rest. For those struggling with sleep disorders, a warm cup of chamomile tea, 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime, can establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine that signals the body it's time to wind down. Chamomile possesses anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that directly benefit the digestive system. It helps relax the muscles lining the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea, gas, and stomach cramps. The flavonoids in chamomile increase mucus production in the digestive tract, which helps protect the stomach lining from acid and reduces the risk of ulcers. Furthermore, chamomile stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, enhancing nutrient absorption and overall gut function. Many gastroenterologists recommend chamomile tea as a gentle remedy for various digestive complaints, as it works without the side effects of pharmaceutical alternatives. Chamomile contains over 120 chemical constituents, many of which are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, including chamazoline and alpha-bisabolol. These compounds inhibit the release of histamine and reduce prostaglandin production, effectively decreasing inflammation throughout the body. Studies show chamomile can reduce biomarkers of inflammation in humans, comparable to some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the adverse side effects. The anti-inflammatory effects extend to skin conditions, arthritis, autoimmune disorders, and digestive inflammation. Regular consumption of chamomile tea or application of chamomile extracts creates cumulative anti-inflammatory benefits that can significantly improve quality of life for those with chronic inflammatory conditions. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it exceptional for skin health. When applied topically, it reduces redness, soothes irritation, and accelerates healing of minor wounds and sunburns. The essential oils and flavonoids in chamomile penetrate below the skin surface to promote tissue regeneration and neutralize free radicals that cause premature aging. Regular use of chamomile in skincare routines brightens complexion, reduces acne breakouts, and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Dermatologists recommend chamomile for sensitive skin conditions, including eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea, as it calms reactive skin without harsh chemicals. The lightweight molecular structure of chamomile extracts allows for deep penetration into the skin barrier without clogging pores. Chamomile significantly bolsters the immune system through its abundant phytochemicals, particularly flavonoids and terpenoids. These compounds enhance the body's ability to fight infections by increasing white blood cell production and activity. Regular consumption of chamomile tea or extract has been shown to increase antibody production, providing stronger defense against common pathogens like cold and flu viruses. Additionally, chamomile stimulates the production of interferon, a protein crucial for protecting cells from viral invasions. The plant's antimicrobial properties directly combat harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses upon contact, creating multiple layers of immune protection. Studies demonstrate that individuals who regularly consume chamomile experience fewer respiratory infections and recover more quickly when illness does occur. Chamomile effectively alleviates menstrual discomfort through its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties. It works by relaxing the uterine muscles, reducing painful contractions that cause cramping during menstruation. The glycine content in chamomile acts as a nerve relaxant, diminishing the intensity of pain signals sent to the brain. Studies show that women who consume chamomile tea regularly experience up to 50% reduction in menstrual pain intensity and duration. Additionally, chamomile helps balance hormonal fluctuations that contribute to premenstrual syndrome, reducing symptoms like irritability, bloating, and fatigue. The cumulative effect of regular chamomile consumption throughout the month creates the most significant benefits, though acute relief can be experienced within 15 to 30 minutes of consuming strong chamomile tea during painful episodes. Chamomile provides remarkable benefits for blood glucose regulation. Studies reveal that daily chamomile tea consumption lowers fasting blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity in individuals with diabetes. The flavonoid compounds in chamomile, particularly quercetin and luteolin, help inhibit enzymes that break down carbohydrates, resulting in slower glucose absorption into the bloodstream. Furthermore, chamomile activates PPAR gamma receptors, which play a crucial role in insulin regulation and fat metabolism. Clinical research shows that consistent chamomile intake over 8 weeks can reduce hemoglobin A1C levels by up to 0.5%, indicating better long-term blood sugar control. For pre-diabetic individuals, chamomile consumption creates a protective effect that may delay or prevent the onset of full diabetes by maintaining healthy glucose metabolism and reducing inflammation that contributes to insulin resistance. Chamomile contains compounds that support bone health and prevent osteoporosis through multiple mechanisms. The plant provides anti-inflammatory flavonoids that reduce bone-degrading cytokines, preventing excessive bone resorption that leads to density loss. Studies show chamomile increases osteoblast activity, cells that build new bone, while simultaneously decreasing osteoclast function, cells that break down bone tissue. Regular chamomile consumption helps maintain calcium homeostasis and improves mineral absorption, particularly in postmenopausal women who are at highest risk for bone loss. Research indicates that chamomile extracts can increase bone mineral density by up to 5% when consumed regularly for 6 months. The antioxidant properties of chamomile also protect existing bone cells from oxidative damage that contributes to age-related bone deterioration. For individuals concerned about bone health, chamomile creates a comprehensive protective effect without the side effects associated with pharmaceutical interventions. Chamomile contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that demonstrate significant anti-cancer properties. Apigenin, one of the primary flavonoids in chamomile, inhibits cancer cell growth by inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, specifically in malignant cells, while sparing healthy ones. Laboratory studies show chamomile extracts reduce cancer cell proliferation by up to 93% in certain cancer cell lines, particularly in breast, prostate, skin, and digestive tract cancers. The cumulative protective effect comes from chamomile's ability to neutralize free radicals, reduce chronic inflammation, repair DNA damage, and normalize cellular growth patterns, all critical factors in cancer prevention. Population studies indicate individuals who regularly consume 2 to 6 cups of chamomile tea weekly experience up to 30% lower risk of thyroid cancer and significant reductions in digestive tract malignancies. For prevention purposes, chamomile creates a multi-layered defense system against the cellular changes that lead to cancer development without introducing toxic compounds into the body. So, what can we make using chamomile? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Steep dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 minutes. Strain. Then add raw honey and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Stir well and drink while warm. For maximum immune-boosting benefits, consume this tea daily during cold and flu season or 2 to 3 times weekly as a preventative measure. Combine chamomile tea with freshly grated ginger, steep for 7 to 10 minutes, strain, and add a small amount of raw honey and a squeeze of lemon. Drink warm after meals to aid digestion. For chronic digestive issues, consume this tonic after lunch and dinner daily for 2 weeks, then reduce to once daily for maintenance. Brew a strong tea using equal parts chamomile flowers and fresh mint leaves. Allow to cool until comfortably warm. Soak a clean cloth in the mixture. Wring out excess liquid and apply to forehead and temples for 15 to 20 minutes. For acute headaches, use as needed. For chronic tension headaches, apply this compress nightly before bed to reduce frequency and intensity of episodes. Combine chamomile flowers with lemon balm leaves and lavender buds. Steep in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and add a small amount of honey if desired. Drink this elixir 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime to promote deep, restorative sleep. For chronic insomnia, use nightly for at least 2 weeks to establish a consistent sleep routine and reset natural sleep cycles. Brew chamomile tea, add freshly grated turmeric root, a pinch of black pepper, and simmer on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Strain and add a teaspoon of raw honey and fresh lemon juice. Drink warm. For chronic inflammatory conditions, consume this tonic twice daily for at least 3 weeks. For general anti-inflammatory benefits, drink once daily as a preventative measure. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.